Hi everyone, welcome to Postman tutorial. Today in this tutorial, we are going to learn how to store and use variables at the collection level in Postman. Variables are one of the most powerful features in Postman, and knowing how to manage them at the collection level can save you a lot of time and effort when working with APIs. So let's begin. Create a new collection. For creating a new collection, click on New and then click on Collection. After clicking on Create Collection, you can rename this collection. Just enter name of the collection, or you can rename this collection by clicking on Rename. Enter here user underscore API. This is the collection name. Now add some request here. We can add request in this collection. Click on three dots and then click on add request. By creating a collection, you can manage your requests. Suppose you have a multiple request, so you can easily manage your request by creating a collection, and you can share your collection with team member. You just need to click on this three dot and then click on share, so you can easily share collection with team member. Now rename this collection. You can rename this request, click on three dot, or you can simply enter here get a user list. This is the collection request name and this is the collection name. Now you can add multiple requests inside this collection. This is get method, post, put and delete. This all the methods are available. After selecting get method, enter URL or paste text here. So let's quickly enter URL here. Open Chrome browser and click on users. This is the API for getting user list. You can click on print for better format, and this all the records of the users ID, first name, last name. This all the records of the users. Open this complete URL and open Postman, enter URL here. Let's save this request. Now, I will show you how you can create a variable. Suppose you have multiple requests in this collection. So, you need to create a base URL of the variable. So, you can easily define variable in all the requests. Click on this base URL, copy this complete and right click, and here option available, set as variable, cut, copy, paste. Multiple options are available. For now, click on set as variable and then click on set as new variable. This is the value dummyjson.com, and then enter variable name here, base URL, and then select a scope. If you want to create a variable at collection level, so click on collection and then click on set variable. Now on hover, you can view variable created successfully, and this is the base URL. If you add another request in this collection, so you just need to define this variable name, which is base URL. Now click on save for save this request and then click on send. Now request is sending and we are getting 200 OK response, request successful. The server has responded as required, and this is the user's records. Now click on console. In console, we can view request. Let's clear and again send the request. This is get method. HTTPS is a protocol dummyjson.com. This is get request headers and response headers. If you want to edit this variable, you can edit this variable. Just click on this collection name user underscore API and then click on variables. This is base URL and this is the value. You can edit or add descriptions to this variable. Benefits of using collection variable: you can store values like base URL, auth token, or environment details and reuse them across multiple requests. If something changes, for example, the base URL of your API change, you just update it once at the collection level. You just need to change here collection level. You just need to change here value. By creating a variable, it is easy to collaboration when you share collection with your team. Variables make it easy for others to understand and run the request without extra set. So that's how you can store and use variables at the collection level in Postman. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials on Postman. See you in the next video.